been a couple of weeks since we planted here in the mulch, and the plants are up, and it's time to go ahead and move the mulch back around. Really important, because there was bare dirt, there's weeds, so we're gonna make sure we pull all the weeds out. I've done most of them. We'll just get this one, it's the last one. This little grass here. Okay, so now we're gonna push it in. Now there's 2 rows of plants here, so I'm gonna have to kind of come in between to put the mulch in. And one of the purposes of mulch is to make sure that the sunlight doesn't get to the ground, because many weed seeds need some sun to germinate. So if you keep them in the shade, then they're not going to germinate. Okay, so it looks pretty good here. Let's go ahead and move back to the pine straw. So here, same thing. When we planted it, we kind of scooted the pine straw off to the side like we did with the shredded mulch. So I can just take that and go ahead and push that back in. And also the mulch will help keep the water in the soil and makes it so it doesn't dry out quite as fast, which in the heat of summer will be really, really helpful. Pine needles also have the advantage of they deter slugs and snails. Okay, so there we go. Now we have our beans mulched. Hopefully that'll cut down on weeds, increase water, and in this case, keep the slugs and snails away.